Welcome everyone. So today we'll explore two of the most recognized project management certification, that is the PMP and CAPM, which is offered by the Project Management Institute. So these certifications are recognized to validate your project management skills as well as to boost your career opportunities, and it is also going to help you to stand out in this competitive job market. Both certifications serves different purpose, but they are going to share the same goal, that is enhancing your knowledge and improving your professional credibility. So today we'll just dive deep into their differences, which is just going to help you to decide that which certification aligns best with your career aspirations. Also, just so you know, if you want to upskill yourself, master project management skills, and land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various project management courses and certifications. Simplilearn offers various certification programs in collaboration with some of the world's leading universities and institutes. Through our courses, you will gain knowledge and work ready expertise in skills like project cost estimating, leadership, engineering economics, and over a dozen others. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts working in top tier service and product companies, and also get a chance to work along with academicians from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a project manager role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job and profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box to find a project management program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started. So, before we compare this PMP and CAPM, let's take a quick look at this Project Management Institute and what is its role in the industry. So, PMI was founded in 1969 to establish standardized methodologies in this project management. So, they just ensure that professionals worldwide follow the best practices for the project management. And these certifications will help the individuals so that they can enhance their project management expertise, and also it is going to give the employers confidence in their workforce capabilities also. Both are widely recognized across these industries and the countries. So two of the project management institute's most recognized certifications are the project management professional and certified associate in project management. So PMP is basically an advanced certification which is ideal for the experienced project managers who are seeking to validate their real world applications of the project methodologies. And it just requires hands on experience, and it is globally valued for its leadership roles. On the other hand, Certified Associate in Project Management, that is the CAPM certification, it just provides you the foundational knowledge for the beginners, and it just serves as an entry level certification for those who are new to the project management. It is going to help you in building a strong foundation without requiring any prior experience, and it is a great stepping stone towards your future growth also. So let's start with the PMP certification first. So, as we discussed, PMP is designed for the seasoned project managers who already have hands on experience in managing the project. So, it specially focuses on the practical applications of those project management methodologies, and it is going to validate your expertise in the handling complex project across the industries. Now, to qualify for this PMP certifications, the candidate must meet the following criteria, that is, the 3 to 5 years of project management experience, 35 hours of project management education or training by the authorized training partner of the PMI, and then you have to pass your PMP exam. So, the eligibility criteria for CAPM is you should have got secondary degree, that is the diploma or your associate degree, 23 of project management education and the training, and also you have to pass your CAPM exam. No experience is required for your certified associate in project management professional. So while we should say that CAPM is less demanding than PMP, but it serves a strong foundation for those who are looking to transition into this project management roles. So it is definitely going to boost your employability, and it is going to provide you the structured knowledge which is aligned with your PMI standards. So we have explored both PMPs and CAPM certification. So let's compare their key differences in four main areas. First is your eligibility. So the key difference in the eligibility, as we discussed, PMP requires 3 to 5 years of project management experience, and CAPM no prior experience is required. It is only education based training. And certification level, as we know, PMP is an advanced certification for the experienced professional, and CAPM is the entry level certification for the beginners. And the target audience, as we know, the PMP is always designed for the seasoned project management professionals, and CAPM is ideal for the students or the recent passed out graduates or the people who just want to change their career from other role to the project management role. And we'd already discussed that for the PMP, you should have 35 hours of your project management education or training from the authorized training partner of PMI. And for CAPM, it is only 23 hours of project management education or the training that is required. Now, key differences in the exam structure. So, PMP exam is having 180 multiple choice questions, and it is going to emphasize higher level application in the analysis. So PMP exam provides you 230 minutes to complete your 180 questions, and they're all objective based questions. No subjective questions would be there, and the questions would be single choice, multiple choice, fill in the blanks, drag and drop, match the column. So all in that way objective based questions would be there, which is just going to test your analytical skills. What would be your decision making skills in a particular scenario? So most of the questions you will find the situational based in the PMP exam. And if we compare the CAPM exam structure, so here we just have 150 questions, and it is more focusing on the memorizing concepts and the definitions, the foundation of those project management principles. That is what is 180 minutes you have to complete your 150 questions. Again, it is all objective questions, no subjective questions, and there is no negative marking also. So CAPM is mainly focusing on the fundamental, and it is suitable for the beginners who just want to get into the project industries. Now let's compare the knowledge depth. What are those knowledge areas which are going to be covered in this PMP and our CAPM certification? So the PMP, as we know, it is going to cover the advanced areas like your scope, schedule, cost, quality, resource, and the risk management. So here you need to have a solid experience in these areas so that you would be tested on these core concepts, that how you're going to take the decisions for your project. And the application, as I just mentioned, it is a strategic decision making. That is what they are going to test your decision making skills. And mainly the target professionals for PMP is your experienced project managers handling complex project. And when we talk about we compare this CAPM. So CAPM is basically covering the fundamental of those PMI knowledge areas, and it is mainly focusing on the theoretical understanding of those project management concepts. So the target professionals for the CAPM is the entry level professionals or those who are transitioning into the project management roles. Now let's compare the benefits for both. So we know that PMP is perfect for the experienced professionals, and it is always aiming for the high paying leadership roles, and it is going to demonstrate that you have the advanced expertise in managing your project. And PMP holders are always going to have more higher salaries, and it is going to open doors to the senior project management roles as well. So if you are aiming for high salary potential, high career growth, that is what PMP will definitely benefit you. And you should choose your CAPM certification, because if you are new to the project management, because it is a great stepping stone for the newcomers, and if you just want to have a foundational knowledge before you want to move into your project manager's role, and you can always have an affordable entry-level certification, which is a cost-effective, less time-consuming than the PMP certification. As we know, both PMP and CAPM offers you the great opportunities, but your choice should depends on your experience level, career goals, and industry requirements. So PMP is perfect for the experienced professionals who are aiming for high-paying leadership roles, and CAPM is basically excellent starting point for the beginners or the students who are looking to break into the project management. So no matter which path you choose, PMI certifications are highly respected, which will open doors to your exciting career opportunities worldwide. Thank you for joining us today. So I hope this session must have helped you to decide the best certification for your career progression.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.